Hey my chickadees, welcome back to the Back 40. Okay, I have another Sunduki art series that I want to participate in, and it is her decorate the big pink journal that she's going to be doing every Tuesday, I believe. So go over to Sunduki Arts and I'll put that in the comment. And I made this little one. And just I used this because it was so pretty. And she did a shabby chic one. So I did kind of a shabby one, not too shabby. But she used the shabby chic market, forgotten lace, and dusty rose. Okay, she used a forgotten lace, which is this one. It's so pretty. It's roses and lace. It's real pretty. It does print borderless, but my printer didn't print borderless. And those pages are gorgeous. So it's 21 pages in that kit. That one is printed. They're real pretty. And these are some of the ones I did not use. And then this one is the Dusty Rose, and it's real pretty. And you can use those if you want to for the background. Those are real pretty. Real pretty. Real pretty, real pretty, real pretty. Real pretty. Those are gorgeous. So I printed those out. But that is at Nectar's Creation. She's on the Etsy, and her Etsy shop is Nectar's Creation, and I'll put it up here and down in the description. And they print, I did the full 8.5 by 11 inches, as long as your printer has the capacity to do borderless printing. If it's not, you won't get the full 8.5 sheet. You'll get it, it'll look like this. It'll have just a little thin border around it. So I used those and I put together this little book, and it just has 2 signatures. She did a big huge one. I didn't do that. I just did this little small one with 2 signatures, and I put that in there along with some other pages. And I had to cut the pages down and fold some of them up, and some of the ones I cut off I stuck in. And I just put just a mishmash of pink papers at different sizes, music papers, because y'all know I'm trying to use these scraps up and these papers that I found when I did my reorganizing. I thought I had a handle on that before I started reorganizing, but good God Almighty Jesus, I pulled out stuff I didn't even know. I have a 3-foot box over there that has journals in different sizes. I know. Last time I did that Lost My Mind series and we decorated those 21 journals, I said I would never do this again. Well, guess what? I did it again. Only this time it was worse, because when I followed the RTS scrapbooking, rearrange your stuff series that she did, I really like it, especially for people with ADD. I really like it. And I pulled all my light stuff together and got it didn't matter wherever it was, all lights went together. I found stuff I had put back, good Lord Jesus. It was bad. So anyhow, any hooteroo, I was going through here and I'm going to use them up. It's going to be use it or lose it. I got to use this stuff or lose it. I'm either going to have to use it, de-stash it, or trash it. Something's got to be done. So I don't need to buy nothing else. I need to use what I got up, and only replace the stuff that I do use constantly and actually run out of. This is the middle, and this is the second signature. Needs to need to be trimmed, because I believe it kind of cattywampus looking. I just put them in here and snipped them off and went on about my business. Because, you know, by the time I get through, I'm going to have lace on it and everything else. And it's going to be all gator mouth and swooshy around. It ain't going to matter. That's pretty to me. And then these are some little things I found I thought I might want to use for decorating. I stuck those in there. And I kept this in there because, look, I don't know if y'all can see that. But I bought this at a, you know, antique store. And it had a book with this, it was copies of, looked like maybe a choir book or something. And it had like music sheets and stuff in it. And in the back of it, it had some copies with some notes and stuff like they were doing, you know, programs and stuff. When I went through looking through it, that's the lady's hand that was doing the copying. Look at that. I was like, I got to keep that and preserve that. So I put that in there. So that's Miss Thelma. She's carrying on there. So I had to leave Miss Thelma in here. That's the back of it. And then the cover is some textured wallpaper that I had gotten. And on the front of it, I don't know where this come from. I'm sure I bought it from somebody. But, or it was a giveaway or something. But it just looked like it belonged there. And it just looked so cute. So I stuck it there for the cover. Okay, that is it. Now we're going to go on over to Suzuki Arts. And she does it, because she's in the UK, I think. So, you know, she does it early in the morning. So go over and check her channel out and see when her decorate her Big Pink Journal series with her in the morning starts. And then we'll watch it. And then during that week of her episode, we'll follow up and I'll do some decorating from her episode in this book. But I think it's going to be fun. I can't wait to see what she does. So run on over and do a chickadee raid at Suzuki Arts. And I'll put that up there, to, up here and in the description somewhere. Okay, bye. See you on the next go round.